Xin chào mọi người, mình là Thanh Huyền, giáo viên tiếng Việt tại Vietlingo. Today we're learning Northern Vietnamese. Have you ever helped someone out and they said cảm ơn and you just smile and nod? Or maybe someone bumped you into and said xin lỗi and you weren't sure what to say back? Don't worry, we've all been there. Today, we're going to learn the most natural and common ways to reply to thank you and sorry in Northern Vietnam, so you can handle these situations with confidence. First, let's watch a conversation.
Ôi, cảm ơn em nhiều nhé.
Dạ, không có gì đâu ạ. Anh cứ đi đi. Ôi, chị xin lỗi. Em có sao không?
À, không sao đâu chị. Chuyện nhỏ mà.
That little scenes is super common in daily life here. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to confidently respond to thank you in both casual and formal situations. Naturally reply to sorry so other person feel at ease. Understand the cultural nuances behind the simple praise to sound more like a native speaker. Okay, let's go over some vocabulary in this lesson. We have không có gì. Không có gì đâu. It means you're welcome or it's nothing. This is the most standard and versatile way to say you are welcome. Không có gì đâu is a bit softer and more reassuring. You can use it with anyone from friends to elders. For example, cậu đừng lo, chuyện này không có gì đâu. Don't worry, it's nothing. Muộn chút cũng không có gì đâu. Being a bit late is no problem. Chuyện bé thôi, không có gì đâu. It's just a small thing, no big deal. The second phrase, chuyện nhỏ mà, it means it's a small thing or don't worry about it. This is a very friendly and casual expression. It implies that what you did was no big deal and you were happy to do it. It's great for using with friends and people your age or younger. For example, xách hộ cậu thôi, chuyện nhỏ mà. Just carrying this for you, no big deal. Đưa cậu về nhà một đoạn, chuyện nhỏ mà. Giving you a ride home, no big deal. Đi mua dùng chai nước, chuyện nhỏ mà. Buying a bottle of water for you, no big deal. The third phrase, không sao or không sao đâu, it means no problem, it's okay. This is the go-to response when someone apologizes to you. It immediately signals that you are not upset and they shouldn't worry. Like, không có gì đâu. The đâu at the end makes it sound softer. For example, trễ một chút thôi, không sao đâu. It's just a little late, it's okay. Làm rơi cốc nước rồi à? Không sao đâu. Drop the cup, it's okay. Quên mang sách cũng không sao đâu. Forgot the book, that's alright. In Vietnamese, especially in Northern dialect, you add the particle at to the end of your sentences to show respect to people who are older than you or in a higher social positions. Like saying sir or ma'am, but more common and integrated. For example, con chào cô ạ. Hello teacher. Dạ, vâng ạ, em hiểu rồi. Yes, I understand. Anh uống nước đi ạ. Please have some water. Okay, now it's practice time. Let's see what you've learned. I'll give you a situation and you try to respond. I'll give you a moment before showing the answer, okay? For first one, you have to fill in the blank. 1. Cảm ơn vì đã nghe tớ kể lể nhé. Có chuyện gì thì cứ nói với tớ. 2. Xin lỗi cháu, bát nhỡ làm rơi. Dạ. À. 3. Cảm ơn anh, chị đã nấu cơm ạ. Ừ. For the second activity, what would you say? I'll give you the situation and you give me the answer. 1. Your friend brings you your favorite bánh mì. What do you say when you reply to their thank you? A casual and friendly response like chuyện nhỏ mà or không có gì would be perfect. 2. You are on a crowded bus and someone accidentally bumps into you and say, xin lỗi. How do you reply? A quick and reassuring không sao đâu or không sao is best. 3. Your teacher helps you with difficult exercise. You thank them. You might they respond. They would like to say không có gì. Great job, everyone. Let's do a quick recap. To say you're welcome, you can use không có gì or the more casual chuyện nhỏ mà. To respond to sorry, the best phrase is không sao đâu. And don't forget to add at the end of your sentences when speaking to elders to show some respect. Practice this with your friends or teacher today. The more you use them, the more natural they become. If you enjoyed this lesson, like, share, and subscribe for more Vietnamese lessons from Viet Lingo. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Cảm ơn. Hẹn gặp lại nhé.
That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching and learning Vietnamese with us. If you'd like to experience our teaching style in person, we'd love to invite you to a 30-minute free trial lesson with one of our experienced Viet Lingo teachers. Just scan the QR code and book your spot. We've helped thousands of learners around the world speak Vietnamese with confidence, and we can help you too.